Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Zilla. Today I'm going to be showing you a few of my fidgets. Now, just to let you know, I have some of my fidgets are in the mail, like 2 of them. And they're my fidget cube and my other rainbow puppet. So this is the bag that I'm going to be putting them on. Okay, so first up is my flippy octopus. Flippy octopus, and I love her. So I'm going to chuck that in there. I have a rainbow square hexagon alphabetical puppet because it has the alphabet on it. I have another rainbow square puppet. A mini purple tie-dye puppet that I love. 2 infinity cubes. A mini Rubik's Cube and a big Rubik's Cube that I think is super cool. Puzzle ball. A marble mesh. Ready, watch this. First marble mesh. Skinny marble mesh. A monkey noodle. Orange monkey noodle. What else do I have? This is like a really cool one. So it's a fidget spinner. Dimple. This is really cool. A dirty mochi that I can clean today. Another dimple based on unicorn. Dimple unicorn with a little thing at the top. And a dimple. Last but not least is my amethyst thinking putty. Now, if your hands get so warm, then this purpley color starts to turn pink, which is really cool. So, yeah, so those are my fidgets. And just look forward to part 2. Bye, guys.